Hi there, Happily Forever's After Travel friends. I'm Christy Evers and I am at the Village Hotel on Biltmore Estate, and I'd like you to come along with me. I'm going to take you on a tour. Become a part of the Happily Forever's After Travel family by subscribing. If you appreciate the room tour, please hit the like button and ring the bell so you know when I post more videos like this. I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment about your favorite aspect of this hotel. I'd also like to know what other kinds of videos you'd like to see me make about Biltmore Estate or Asheville. I'm always open to suggestions. Now, come along. Let's go see that king room. On my way to the room. Oh, look. Get a glimpse of the pool on the way to my room. Hi. And here we are. Let's get some light here. Very nice so far. I mean, right away, it has a very homey, nice but not stuffy feel. Let's see here, what do we have in here? Oh, nice. Here we go, our station. We have an extra blanket, your safe, an iron, oh, an umbrella, that's a nice touch. Your ironing board, hangers, your suitcase rack. It's really nice. Okay, and over here, oh, this is cute. This is one of those little barn door things going into the bathroom. Here is our sink. Nice toiletries here. Very spa-like feel to that. Hair dryer. What's in here? Oh, a mini fridge. It's always nice to have a mini fridge. It looks like a very clean mini fridge. No weird smells or anything. That's always good too. I see some wine. Let's check out the bathroom. There's a couple outlets there. Bathroom lights. All right, standard toilet. It's not huge, but you don't really need it to be. I like that. Nice little bench so you don't have to put all your stuff on the floor. The shower, I like the shower. Very nice tiles, no tub. Nice little bench. And I like that. There's a good distance between the water spout and the soap and the hanger so you can put your stuff there and not have to get everything soaking wet. That's nice. I like the features. I like the wood. I like these coppery details. Like that on the sink. It's kind of rustic but nice. Those are metal. Here there's some wine. That is for purchase, not free, in a Keurig. Got that. What's in here? A little mini coffee bar. Is that open? No. All right, and so in here, let's get that light on. Very nice, very cozy. I like the details in this chair. And this, oh my gosh, I adore that bench. I love it, and look at this. There's drawers here. Nice open drawers. Oh, and an outlet if you want to do something over here, charge a phone, work on your laptop. I like that a lot. Cozy cushions, a little ledge. And here is a nice view. Let's see what we have outside for our view. Have a nice courtyard view. I bet that'll be nice and pretty and lit up at night. And that is a winery. I'm going to be going there very soon to have a wine and chocolate tour. Okay, so here's a nice workstation. Nice drawer here. Little light reading for later. Let's click this on. And I really like and if everything else, they use artwork around the estate that's from their history, from their past, or even the present. So those must be cattle from some time. And this, they have beautiful sunflower fields, I think around June. I'll have to double check that. So I bet that is from their sunflower fields. And there's plenty of outlet space there. 6 different ones. All right, and let's take a peek at this bed. All right, I like it. Looks very cozy. Nice. Looks very clean, well made, crisp. I like the little chicken. Yeah, this is a fabric wallpaper. It's textured fabric, I guess you'd call that fabric. It's fancy, whatever it is. So it's very nice. It's a very comfortable room. It's not huge, but it doesn't need to be. I'm not going to be here a lot anyway. I've got lots of tours, and I'm happy. This is a beautiful room. Very nice. Okay, it has been a long day, but a good day. I got so many things done. I got to do wine and chocolate pairing and tasting. I got to go to the Da Vinci art immersion. Got to eat at the inn and catch an amazing sunset. Also had some cocktails at the inn library and walked around Antler Hill Village at night where it was all lit up with beautiful lights. I have so many great videos that I'm going to get out of this one trip. I can't wait to share all these things with all you guys, but I've walked so much. I've been up since 4 in the morning to drive here, packed in a lot of stuff, and I still have a lot that I'm going to do tomorrow, including a backstairs tour, and then I have to go back home because I could only do one night this time. But now I'm exhausted. My feet are achy, my back wants to lay down, and it's time to review the bed. So the mattress, nice and firm, and let's try the pillow test because I'm a pillow snob. Comfy, very, very squishy. I love squishy pillows. Good pillow. 2 thumbs up, but my other second thumb is holding my camera, so I can't do that. Anyway, good night. I'm sleepy. I'll see you tomorrow at the Biltmore house. Good night. I'll provide you with links to this hotel, as well as a link for you to check out fun things to do when you visit the Asheville area. If you appreciate this room tour, please hit the like button to let me know. I'm going to have many more Biltmore and Asheville videos coming out soon, including an in-depth tour of the Village Hotel, as well as tips for visiting and reviews of the tours that I took. Hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified when those videos are posted. And don't be shy. If there's a certain video or topic regarding this hotel or Biltmore that you'd like to see, let me know in the comments. I'm always open to suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Happy travels!